I can't even cut the chicken. How do I make the raising cans, bro? Anyway, cook! Oh my god, my mom is gonna beat you up. The powder is in my eyes, bro. It's hurt. I'm gonna add this. Just a little. No, it's not. Bro, why is it this yellow? Why is it white? Okay, so I'm gonna try and make nuggets at home. Okay, now I'm gonna cut my okay, first we have to play the video because I forgot how to cut it. From here, she's my sister's phone. What is the password? I will not say. You have to say it, bro. What is the password?
15 minutes later.
Okay, you just do it like this, as you can see. I will try it. Anyway, I can't even cut the chicken. How do I make the raising cans, bro? And this is how it looks like. And now we will do the seasoning. No, I forgot to record, so I added yogurt. Anyway.
Salt, paprika powder.
What is this? Oh, I think it's this. Wait. Right? Am I right, girl? Let's see if I'm right or not. My English is so bad. Okay.
Chicken salt,
Okay.
paprika powder.
Okay, how much did you eat at that one? I think yogurt is too much. Onions and don't brush your teeth. He added that much. Are you fucking blind? Yeah, he has more. What the fuck are you talking about? Oh my god! I think it's enough. Okay, let's take this much out. No, bro, it's enough. Okay, girls, I'm going to mix this. By the way, it's my first time cooking something like this. Anyway, cook! To add mustard nishasta, but I don't know how it's called in English. Oh my god, my mom is gonna beat you up. Oh my god, we forgot salt as well. Okay, now I'm gonna add salt first. I'm gonna add just a little bit. She's so useless, she can't even open the plastic bag.
Okay.
Don't add too much or it will turn out bad. Just a little bit. And I'm going to mix it and come back. The powder is in my eyes, bro. It's hurting. Okay, so it's fully covered. As you can see, I'm not gonna put this in fridge and come back. Okay, so the egg is ready. And now we will add the seasoning. So I'm gonna add this. Just a little bit more is enough. I think it's enough. I'm going to add garlic powder. Okay, just 1 spoon. A little bit. I think this is 1 spoon. Okay, now I'm going to add same seasoning in here. Oh my god! And now I'm going to take this and then we will mix it all together. You know, it looks like this. Okay, first here. What the fuck is two? Too much. Press it like this. So it will looks like Popeyes or Raising Cane's. Okay. One more time? 2 is enough, I think. And like this. And like this. Do you think it will be yummy? Or bad? Imagine it's so bad we are throwing it trash. Oh, as you can see, it's getting ready. Yo! Then we'll make the other one. You think it's ready? Should I put it? No, it's not. Bro, why is it this yellow? Why is it white? I think it needs to be fried more. Like this. Flip. Yeah, honey, you are doing great. And now I'm gonna wait here and put it here again. And again. Now these are frying and it kind of looks like this. Right. We tried this one, is so good and crispy, bro. I'm going to make the magic sauce. Of course.
So stupid for falling for you. One night stands with the candy land. If you get too close, then you might understand.
Oh my. Let me try.